Hey gang, Eric Shanefield here with Local Marketing Institute, and today we're going to take a look at 3 free tools that you can use to see how fast your website is. Why does the speed of your website really matter? Well, there's really 2 reasons. Google and other search engines look at website speed as a factor in their search results, and if your website is slow, they're going to rank it lower in the search results. The second is just the customer experience. Faster sites make for happier customers and can lead to more customer inquiries and more business. So take a look at this. Your website needs to load in 3 seconds or less. If it takes longer, according to Akamai, 40% of those visitors are going to abandon your site and 80% of them won't return. So it's really important that we have a speedy site. So we're going to take a look at the law office of Simon W. Johnson in Cleveland, Ohio. So this is Google Pagespeed Insights. Simply paste in your URL here, click Analyze. So here are the results for Google Pagespeed Insights, and you can see they've got both a mobile and desktop view. Notice they're putting mobile first. Google's really prioritizing mobile. So he ranks a 51 out of 100. Now down below here are all the reasons that he gets that ranking. Things that he can fix, things he can improve. A lot of this is really technical. We're not going to go into that right now, but you should definitely get together with your developer. But simple things like the images are too big. There's certain technical things like called caching and things like this that you can do. On the desktop view, ranks a little bit better, but again, there's still some things that could be fixed, and it also gives you ideas on how to fix those. Again, this gets a little technical, so make sure you work with your developer. So the next tool is Pingdom. Pingdom is a monitoring tool that you can subscribe to. So again, we're going to paste in the law office URL. We're going to test. So overall results, he gets a performance grade of 67 out of 100. Again, that's a subjective. It's kind of like Google's 51 over there. You can see there's 80 different little elements on that one web page that a browser is trying to load. It took 3.6 seconds to load, and the total page size is just under a megabyte in size, which is pretty large. Down below then you can see what's called a waterfall graph. Don't worry too much about this, but all of these are all the little individual elements that home page is trying to load. Every one of these elements can slow down your page. Again, this is way technical, but the most important thing is to take a look at your grade, take a look how long the website takes to load, and then talk with your developer about ways that you can improve the load time and performance of your site based upon this result. The last tool I'm going to show you is called GTmetrix. I really like GTmetrix. I think it gives probably the most user-friendly performance score. So we're going to put our URL in here, we're going to analyze it, and we're going to come up with a performance report. And you can see on a performance page speed, he's scoring a D. A page load time of 3.3%. Again, almost just under a megabyte. He's only showing 65 requests on that particular page. And again, it goes through everything that you can do on your site. For example, specify image dimensions, minimize redirects, all these things that can be done. Again, these are things to talk about with your developer. And it's the things in red that are the most important things to tackle. So again, there's the 3 different sites. We've got the Google Pagespeed Insights, we've got Pingdom, and we've got GTmetrix. So those are your 3 tools. Be sure to check them out and review the results with your developer.